Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a box opening for my January Boxycharm box. Now, I know that usually I do a box opening with no makeup on with bare face, but today I just recorded a video for this look and I'm really like short on time, so I do apologize for that. I apologize for looking so cute. But we're going to be opening this up, alright? Let me just clean this table off so I have some space. And then I always have my other Boxycharm stuff around, so I just don't want to mix that up, you know? That'll be annoying. But we all kind of get mostly the same thing, so I'm sure you guys seen like this video and seen what January's box has, but you haven't seen it with my personality. So I hope you stay tuned, okay? Alright guys, where's my scissors? Scissors, where you at? Okay, so yes, this look that you see in front of you, I'll have a video up on that this week as well. Okay, so guys, Boxycharm, don't forget it's 20. Why do I forget how much it actually is every month? It's 22 a month, I think. 22 a month, yeah. And you can, it gives you the choice to go ahead and purchase 3 months ahead of time or more than that. And then it gives you this and this little card, and it has everything on the back of how much everything actually retails for. So that's good. You get to see how much each item is. And I see a mask on here. I love when they have masks. Okay, so let's start with, I see concealer too. Okay, we're at the, I have this right here, Skin & Co. Roma. It's a Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. Okay, so it's like exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Okay, that's always good. I did just start my free trial for, Curology, so I won't be, you know, trying anything else until I see how my Curology is actually working. And I'll be putting up a video on that too, guys. But I do want to, you know, at least smell the product. Alrighty. Ooh, that actually smells really good. And the ingredients look really good. So, if you guys get this in your box, make sure you give it a try and let me know how it goes. My daughter just opened the door. Alright, so now, oh, that one, by the way, that one retails for $28. Okay? Skin & Co. Roma. So our next one, we have the concealer. This is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Pretty Vulgar. I am going to try this out on my hand. I love concealers, and this one looks a little bit darker. It's the 297 65 Shady Lady. Sorry, I'm butchering that. It's the 60. This is my concealer from Fenty Beauty. This is the 370 shade, and this is the one from Pretty Vulgar. Is that how you say that company's name? I've never heard of them, but you know, I always look up and see if the reviews are great and what people think. And I also try it out too. I don't just go off of what other people think, but I will try it out. So let's see that actually. Okay, can you guys see that? So that one, I mean, the coverage looks outstanding. Yeah, the coverage looks really good. And it might be a little bit, it actually might be my shade. Definitely on point. Okay? Okay. $25 for this concealer. Okay? The next, yes, sweetie. Huh? Uh-oh. It's okay. We'll wash it off. The next one we have Dr. Brandt. Now Boxycharm, usually they already gave me another Dr. Brandt sleeping moisturizer, but what's wrong?
I got to wipe it and then wash my hands.
Okay, they already gave another, I think it was like in an October box or November box, they did give me a Dr. Brandt, or probably everybody else a Dr. Brandt. And I think his products are definitely well worth it and definitely quality products. They're definitely quality products. So this one right here, this is the retinol eye cream. This goes for $55. This is the one I was reading by mistake. This one goes for $55. It's age fighting eye cream. I personally don't need that. I don't use that. Like I said, I'm going to be using Curology coming up, so I'm not going to try that right now. Okay, so don't forget, $55 for that one. Alrighty, let's get to some makeup. Ooh, we have the Queen Studio. Is that how you say it? Because it's like QV, not QU. So we have the matte liquid lip stain. That one retails for $17. I may try a lip stain. Why not? And it's like a nude color. Let's see. Thick Skin. That's what this one is called. It is a 0.13 fluid ounce. So for $17, that's pretty, you know, that sounds about right. I do love nude, a good nude. Let's just put it on. Can you guys see that? So that is really pretty. I'll definitely be giving this one a try. Okay. Alright guys, so that one was for $17. $17 for that liquid matte. And our last thing, now I have a lot of these overnight sleeping masks that they send, and I guess they keep it pretty spaced out so that I do get a chance to try the other one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go online and kind of change my preferences to just to be makeup usually, because I'm getting a lot of skincare products, you know, and with going into, like I said, I'll be doing Curology, so I don't want too many skincare products. But this one is the Avon Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. And this one retails for $107 for this 1.69 fluid ounce bottle. $107. I mean, wow. It helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. I mean, I don't know how old they think I am, but it is true. Going to school for skincare and learning that wrinkles start very early, it's good. You know, some people can use it more than others, but it is good. So $107, guys. We are well over $200. Yeah. So let's see. We had $25 for the Pretty Vulgar. We had for the Dr. Brandt $55, the Skin & Co. Roma $28, the Avon Skincare $107, and then the Studio, the Queen Studio $17. Okay, so all of that added up equals $232, and I did just do it on my calculator because my brain sometimes doesn't think that quickly. But we have $232 for a $22 box a month. That's awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, I am sorry that I didn't really get to try anything really on my face, but I do hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye!